Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two Apple Watch clone smartwatch. We have the S9 Mini and the other one is the S10 Max Smartwatch. The S9 Mini is a small form factor smartwatch, while the S10 Max is somewhat like in a mid-range category. On this video, we are going to explore one of its features, that is the health function. So this smartwatch is equipped with a heart rate monitoring. So we are going to check the heart rate monitoring of both wearable, and of course we will compare the results with our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. If possible, we will have a simultaneous monitoring of the heart rate. If you have any questions regarding the video demo of the heart rate monitoring of the S9 Mini Smartwatch and the S10 Max Smartwatch, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Alright, so let's start. But before we monitor our heart rate, let's check first if the heart rate monitoring of the smartwatch is just random heart rate monitoring, meaning it is just an animation providing random results even though you are not wearing the wearable or not. So let's see. So let's tap on the heart rate, start measure. This one is the S10 Max Smartwatch. If it provided, as you can see here, it has provided a number. Seems like it is fake. 87, although we are not wearing it again. So if this is the case, we will not test the heart rate anymore. Go back. Then measure. Okay, so let's wait. We have here 87 beats per minute. How about this one? Is it fake? Anyway, we'll try and we'll see. So as you can see here, it shows the result even though we are not wearing it. 87 and 83. 89. So random measurement here. $82 again. Okay, let's just try. Let's wear it and let's see if we'll have a result. 90. 86. I think it's just a random number. It is a fake sensor for our S10 Max as well as the S9 Mini, as you can see here. How about the blood oxygen? Start measurement. Okay, so that is disappointing. We will not check it anymore with our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 as the sensor here is fake. The same with the blood pressure, I think. Okay, start measurement. As you can see here, it provided some data, although we are not wearing it. Okay, so not good for our S10 Max. It's fake. How about our S9 Mini? Sorry for those who are planning to get one or who have already added it to their cart and shipped. You have a fake sensor for its health monitoring of our S9 as well as the S10 Max. And for those who are planning to get this one and asking whether the health monitoring is fake or not, well, I guess this video answered your queries. So it is just a fake sensor. But so far, the push notifications and the Bluetooth call for this wearable works. There's only an issue with the blood pressure or the health sensor, I think. As you can see, It's just a random number. Okay, so for those who rely their health, their health metrics with the S10 Max or the S9 Smartwatch, S9 Mini Smartwatch. Okay, please don't, as the smartwatch, these smartwatches do have a fake sensor for its health monitoring. I'm not going to touch it, just going to show you. Okay, so let's tap on the heart rate here one more time, then start measurement. Okay, so I'm not holding it, and as you can see, we still have the result. Okay, so that's it for our health review for its health monitoring S9 Mini and the S10 Max Smartwatch. And so far, the result is disappointing. We didn't even have a result. I mean, we found out the sensors are all fake. Okay, again, if you find it useful, this video if you find this video useful or helpful, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.